Hi friends, happy Friday. I want to start a new series with you guys called Friend Request Friday. I try to always reply to your guys' comments, especially anybody who asks for a tutorial or a review, but sometimes I lose the comment, I forget about it. I figured this would actually be the perfect way to keep all of this in one spot. Basically, I just want you guys to leave me suggestions, whether it's a review, a tutorial, a get ready with me, whatever. Leave me some suggestions and every week I will pick one. So for this week, I'm actually going to start with the suggestion from our friend Terry. I love this idea. I definitely want to incorporate this a lot more with different seasons, different days, daytime, nighttime. But for today, let's just start with my day-to-day go-to skin prep and my steps that I use. I do want to point out that my products will change whatever I'm in the mood for, what my skin is acting like, the type of day, but the steps I do it in will always stay the same. For today, we're going to start with toner. I already have my face washed and dried. If you haven't done that already, that will be your first step. Go wash your face, make sure it's dry, and then get back. Now we're going to go in with toner. I'm actually using this cherry one. I'm still testing this out for you guys. I don't really know how I feel about it yet, so I want to use it today to give it another try. I prefer to do my toner on a cotton round. It's really preference. Some people will just use their hands. I like a cotton round. Toner, you're going to want to go in circular motions. Let that dry a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with hypochlorous acid. I've been incorporating this in my day-to-day routine. This is totally preference, but as someone with acne-prone skin, hypochlorous acid is great. It just helps kill off bacteria that causes acne. I will even put that on the chest and the shoulders. Also, disclaimer, I'm not an esthetician or a professional. This is just what works for me and the order I do my skincare in. Now I'm going to go in with my eye serum. I'm using the Olay dupe today. I just put a little bit on my fingers. And remember, push those products into the skin. Okay, now strap in. This is where it gets a little crazy. I use several serums, but this is totally preference. You can use one, you can use none. I have very dry skin. I have texture. I have large pores. I have fine lines. I have a lot of things that I like to tend to. So that's just going to look different for everybody. For my first one, I'm using a skin nutrition one. I love these serums. Today, I'm just going to use the hyaluronic acid one. This is great for hydrating, moisturizing, just a nice go-to serum. And once again, you want to pat that into the skin. Of course, you can do swiping motions, but you also want to really pat that in there. Take all your skincare down the neck and onto the chest. If your skin looks red like mine does, don't worry. That's not necessarily a reaction to the products. If you have sensitive skin, it's very common for your skin to get red when you're touching it. This will go down, so don't freak out. Now I'm going to go in with both of these glow up serums. I love the strawberry one. And then I just want to use this one up. It's not my personal favorite, but I don't hate it. I'm going to focus that one in the cheek area, the forehead, and just along the T-zone. And now we can do my strawberry one. I'm gonna put this everywhere, all over the face, the neck, the chest. Now, like I said, I have dry skin, so I serum it up, but if you have oily skin, you will probably want to do a little less of these glowy products and more mattifying stuff. Some things with tea tree could be nice, things like that, because these glowy products will just add to your oiliness. But now we want some moisturize. I'm just using the daily face cream. And if you do use bronzing drops, now would be the perfect time to go in with those as well. You could do a little bit of your moisturizer and then just add your bronzing drops right in and mix them together. I'm just gonna stick with just some regular moisturizer today. I'm gonna take what's left and just rub that into my hands. And that is it. That is my go-to skin prep routine. Like I said, the products changed, but the order in which I do them remains the same. And you can leave it like this, or you can jump into makeup. I'm gonna do some makeup. I like to let this all sit for a bit, let it really work its way into the skin. So I'll do my brows, put a little lip plumper on. Just give it some time to really like melt into the skin and then go in with your makeup. I hope this was helpful. Thank you, Terry, for the suggestion. Like I said, guys, leave me your suggestions and I will see you in my next one. Bye, friends.